हे फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम इन एजुकेशनल चैनल बाय रिताशु। आज हम रीड करने वाले हैं महात्मा गांधी पर ऐसे राइटिंग इन इंग्लिश एंड ये बहुत स्मार्ट वे में लिखा गया है, शॉर्ट वे में लिखा गया है। इफ़ यू लाइक द वीडियो, डोंट फॉरगेट टू थम्स अप एंड शेयर दिस इन योर ग्रुप। विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच टाइम, लेट्स स्टार्ट। We are a free nation today. For this, many people suffered extreme hardships and passed the best periods of their lives in jail. The man who guided our struggle for freedom was Mahatma Gandhi. He was the leader of our freedom. He launched many movements during the freedom struggle. He was born in the middle class family on 2nd October 1869. His father was the Diwan of Rajkot. He was an average student at school, but he showed the signs of future greatness. His faith in God found roots at an early age and grew with years. He was married at an early age. After matriculation, he went to England to study law. He returned to India after completing his studies. He then went to South Africa, where he found that the Indians were not being properly treated. He fought for their rights. After many years, he returned to India. Here he impressed the leaders with his policy of ahimsa, or the theory of non-violence. He went on to become the leader of the Indian National Congress. He gave people the two most powerful weapons of non-violence and satyagraha, with which to fight for the freedom of the country. The success of these weapons can be seen in the fact that we achieved freedom without shedding a drop of blood. He held different religions in equal regard. This is different, okay, not different. He held different religions in equal regards. He worked for Hindu-Muslim unity. He taught us the dignity of labor. He left an indelible impression on the minds of people. He stood for simple living and high thinking. It is a matter of great shame that he fell to the bullets of his countrymen. He was shot on the evening of 30th January 1948. That was a dark hour for the country. Gandhiji is also called the father of the nation. He is no more, but his memory and message is immortal. He was the living example of service and sacrifice. Thank you so much for watching. If you like, don't forget to thumbs up and share this in your group. Bye for now. Have a good day. Take care.